manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre fin n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Slay, and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this hair that was sent to me from Alipearlhair.com. I do have the unit on right now, so if you would like to see how this unit came, so it came in a 613 color. All right, so if you want to go ahead and see how I fully installed the unit, how I colored the unit, the unboxing and all that jazz, just continue watching, and then I'll be back afterwards to let you guys know what my thoughts are on this unit, and if I had any struggles, if I loved it, if I hated it, you know, all the extra stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this review, and I will be chatting with you guys in just a few moments.
My sexy love, say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute he wishing. We sippin', I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on there, let's do it, ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but it's you been missing. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down, cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive, tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love, say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute he wishing. We sippin', I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on there, let's do it, ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but it's you been missing. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down, cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive, tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love, say you love me, but you never left for me, yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it, ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but it's you been missing. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down, 'cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive, tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller.
Alright, you guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed that review. So just a few things that I do have to say about this hair. So as you guys can tell from the beginning of the unboxing, so here is the box, you know, that it came in. So once again, it's from Alipearlhair.com, alright. And in the box, they give you a bag for your wig, okay, to put it in afterwards. And they also give you a band, so if you want some extra security, you can sew that on. And then they also give you a stocking cap, which I thought was really cute and really sweet. So they give you a stocking cap, and then it also gives you a how to care for your human hair wig little instruction guide. So if you're new to wearing wigs and stuff like that, this is your little quick how to. So as you guys can see from the video, once again, this hair did come in a 613 blonde color. It is a 10-inch bob, all right. Just to give you guys some deets about this, so I have it in the size cap medium, or I think small. Let me see. Yeah, actually I have it in medium. And this hair, it is 180% density. All right. Let's see, what else do we have to say about this hair? Okay, so if you guys want to go ahead and obtain this color right here, I did get it from Adore, and the color is ginger. So it didn't come out as dark as I wanted it to, but you know, this will be just fine. And I figured, you know what, let me give you guys a little bit of a different color, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't just do black all the time for y'all. Like, sis, I need to, you know, bring some color into y'all life, okay, into my life too, because sometimes bright colors make me really nervous. But you know what, I was like, let me go ahead and try this out and see how it looks. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. So initially I was going to wear it in kind of like a straight style, but I didn't like how that looks. Like, it looked a little bit too harsh. So I was like, maybe I should add some curls and make it look just a little bit, you know, just a little bigger. I think that would look a little bit better, and that's what I did. So it did take me some time. As you guys can tell from the clips, this is what I curled it with my little wand curler thing here. And then what I ended up doing, because my hands started hurting, y'all, I ended up taking the wig off, putting it on my mannequin head and finishing the curls, because I was like, okay, my hands hurt entirely too much. I can't even do all this. All right, so I sprayed the front down just a little bit to kind of like hold it down, but I didn't spray like completely because you know, you want to protect your hair at the same time, and I don't intend on wearing this to work tomorrow or anything like that, so that is why. But after I went ahead and colored the hair, if you guys saw in the beginning, I wet the hair first, simply because I only had one bottle of the hair color, and I figured if I'm gonna make this last, it's best that you color it first. I mean, wet it first. So I wet it first, I put the color on there, and I let it sit for legit like almost 2 hours, y'all. Like almost 2 hours. And I did what I had to do as far as like editing other videos and stuff like that. And then eventually I went ahead and rinsed it out, added conditioner, and blow dried it as y'all saw. And yeah, that was really it. It was super easy. I do love the texture of the unit. Like, it's really thick, like as far as the density, so I'm really digging that. Other than that, like as y'all saw, also I sprayed this on the cap because it was really orange after. So if you want more like of a natural lace color, I would suggest you can do this if you're not really good at dyeing or bleaching your knots. Okay, so that's what I did. I didn't even really do much of like a part. At first I was going to, but I ended up kind of just doing like this flip over method a little bit here, and I figured, you know, that would be a little bit easier, and in my opinion it just looks better this way. All right, so I feel like I'm giving y'all like Marilyn Monroe vibes, but just a different color, like an orange color. But yeah, like I think it's really cute on. I was a little nervous at first, but I'm digging the color. I think it's cute. What y'all think? I probably would. This is not like something I would wear every day, just to let y'all know. Like, I wouldn't wear this wig every single day. Like, I couldn't wear it every single day. But yeah, I mean, I've heard a lot of great things about Alipearl Hair, so y'all definitely check out their website. They have a lot of other different options that you can choose from, so this is not your only option. Once again, I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay, subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I upload new videos. All right, so see you guys next time, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.